Grand Cherokee here. This was a single headlight job. The car was involved in an accident and they replaced the passenger side with a brand new light, so we had to try to match it. Here's the driver's side, obviously a mess. And then here comes when we're done. Perfect match, and it looks brand new. Look at this. If you're in South Florida, we are mobile. We travel to Broward County, Miami-Dade County, and Palm Beach County. We are mobile. We come to you. Just give us a call or text us your pictures for an estimate. We come to your home, your work, your office. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. Give us a call or a text today. Thank you for watching this video.